Hi there, this is Marlene Christensen and I'm very pleased to speak to you today. And I have a small lesson for you today, very basic. It's about getting a domain name. We all need a domain name for uh, getting a presence on the internet. And I use GoDaddy. GoDaddy.com is, I think, one of the most used services online to get a domain. First you need to create an account, and as you can see up here, you just click create account, and then you enter this contact information, and you have to every field where there's a little star you have to put in, and this thing down here, the call-in pin, is just a small pin number that you can use if you need support, so they can identify who you are. It's something that you choose, and otherwise it's just basic information. And of course you can subscribe to any of their newsletters and all that, and then you just click create account. Of course I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Click go. And now I'm logged in. I'll just quickly go back to the home page, because this is where you can start searching for domain names. Now if you're in a particular niche, you want to have a domain name that is related to that niche. If, for instance, you are in the golfing niche, one of the more popular ones right now, you want to have something about golfing. So maybe my golfing site, probably taken, but let's see. Just type in and click go. My golfing site is already taken, but this is very cool. You can see over here, this is GoDaddy giving you suggestions to other domain names that is similar to the one that you tried. And if you like one of these, you can just click one of them, and then you have your domain name. Or of course you can buy one of these, but I don't recommend you do that. .com is the best way to go. If you need another, I recommend .com of course, but if you need another one, you can get a .org. I don't recommend .info or .net because the search engines looks at them as spammers and stuff like that. So I don't recommend you do that. I always use .com or .org. And .biz you can also do. And of course, if you live in a country where you have a particular ending, you can get like your country's ending. And when you have chosen your name, you just continue with registration. And what you need to know is, I can just try this one, add. And then we can click this one, continue to registration. See, then something that GoDaddy is really big on is getting upsells. So you will have all these opportunities to get even more, and you can do this if you want, but I'll just click no thank you here. And then there's something here. Then you put in all your information here, and I'm from Denmark, so this often happens to me. And then you click continue here. And once again, you get all kinds of opportunities to get even more. And I recommend when you buy your domain name that you register it for 2 years or more, because that will give you an authority in the search engines. If it's only a 1 year registration, then it might be looked as spam. But you can choose any option that you want. And when you have finished here, okay, show me great deals on hosting, site builders, email, and more. No thanks. And then you just click continue. Now you will be taken to the part where you're going to pay, and you can use your credit card, or you can pay by check or by PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, I will show you in a future video how to get one. And of course you have to agree on their terms and domain registration agreement. And but I'm not going to buy this. This was only a test domain buy. So, but if you're going to buy, then of course you click to check out. Yeah, but that's it for now. Now you know how to get a domain name. And of course you can use other suppliers, but GoDaddy is the one that I recommend, and I will supply you with the link below this video. So hope you you enjoyed this, and that you can put this to good use. And of course I see potential in you, so use it. Bye for now.